Hello there, my name is Richard McMunn from the interview training website, passmyinterview.com, and in this training video I will teach you how to pass a scrub nurse interview. If you are applying to become a scrub nurse with any hospital, healthcare organisation or NHS trust, make sure you stay tuned because the tips, questions and unique sample answers I am about to give you will help you pass your interview at the first attempt. And to achieve that goal, I will cover the following things in this video. Number one, so I will tell you which scrub nurse interview questions you should prepare for. These questions come up all the time. I will help you answer them. Number two, I will give you two brilliant tips for giving a strong and impressive answer to each scrub nurse interview question. Number three, I will then give you a unique and top scoring answer to each scrub nurse interview question that will impress the interviewer. And then finally, I will tell you where you can instantly download my scrub nurse interview success pack. And just very quickly, if you are new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and give the video a like because that motivates me to create more great content for you. Thank you very much indeed. The first question you will have to answer at your scrub nurse interview is going to be, tell me about yourself. Tip number one. So this is going to be the first question you will have to answer. And to work as a scrub nurse, you must have excellent attention to detail skills and the ability to remain calm under pressure. You also need brilliant communication skills. So make sure you practice your answer several times before the interview. Tip number two, in your answer, I recommend you talk about the following things: the skills and qualities you can bring to the scrub nurse role, details of any relevant experience you have, and also achievements you have attained in your life so far. This tells the interviewer that you have a track record of success. So here is my top scoring example answer to help you pass your scrub nurse interview. Write this down and practice it. Tell me about yourself. Thank you for the opportunity to interview for this scrub nurse position at your hospital. I am a dedicated and highly skilled scrub nurse with strong attention to detail, excellent knowledge of infection control, and the ability to remain calm under pressure. I have experience in maintaining sterile environments, anticipating the needs of the surgical team, and ensuring patient safety at all times. In my previous position, I received praise from the surgeon for my strong work ethic, my commitment to training new scrub staff, and my suggestions for improving communication during handovers between the theatre and recovery teams. I am reliable, highly organised, and able to perform well in high-pressure situations. I thrive in fast-paced environments, take pride in working as part of a multidisciplinary team, and genuinely care about delivering the safest and most efficient patient care possible. And I look forward to discussing my suitability for this position in more detail during the interview. So that is a really good example answer to that first scrub nurse interview question, tell me about yourself. Here is the second question I strongly recommend you prepare for. What are the most important skills and qualities needed to be a scrub nurse? Tip number one. Now, if you cannot answer this next common scrub nurse question correctly, you will fail the interview because the question assesses your understanding and knowledge of the job description. Make sure you read it before your interview. Tip two. In your answer, list the top skills needed to be an effective and competent scrub nurse, and don't forget to include the ability to follow rules and procedures, communication and teamwork. So here is another brilliant example answer to help you. What are the most important skills and qualities needed to be a scrub nurse? Here we go. The most important skills are attention to detail, staying calm under pressure, and being organised. In the operating theatre, there's no room for error. You must know your instruments, follow strict procedures, and be ready to act fast. Good communication is also vital because you're working closely with surgeons and the rest of the team. You've got to be reliable, focused, and always thinking one step ahead. I'd say the top qualities of a scrub nurse are adherence to rules, policies and procedures, professionalism, teamwork, and a strong sense of responsibility. Patients rely on you even though they never see you at work, and that's a responsibility I take very seriously. You can see how these answers are going to help you pass your scrub nurse interview at the first attempt. Now, don't go anywhere because I still have many more questions, tips, and answers to give you. But when you are ready, click the link in the top right-hand corner of the video, head through to my website, passmyinterview.com, and you can instantly download my Scrub Nurse Interview Success Pack. You get the Scrub Nurse Interview Scoring Sheet. You get 21 great answers to Scrub Nurse interview questions. You also get 15 star format Scrub Nurse behavioural interview answers, plus the questions I recommend you ask at the end of your Scrub Nurse interview. But here is the next question I strongly recommend you prepare for. Why do you want to be a scrub nurse? Tip number 1. Now, it takes a unique set of skills and qualities to be a scrub nurse, and this next common question assesses your motivations for choosing this career. Good things to include in your answer are the fact that you thrive in fast-paced, structured environments, the fact that you enjoy working as part of a professional, multidisciplinary healthcare team, and also you enjoy the high level of responsibility that comes with the position of a scrub nurse. Here is my top scoring example answer to help you. Why do you want to be a scrub nurse? I want to be a scrub nurse because I thrive in structured, fast-paced environments where every second and every instrument counts. I enjoy working as part of a highly skilled team where clear communication and mutual trust are essential. Being in theatre, focused, calm, and making sure the surgeon has exactly what they need before they even ask, well, that's where I do my best work. It's a role that demands discipline, and that suits me perfectly. Finally, I want to be a scrub nurse because I take pride in being precise, focused, and dependable. Those are my greatest strengths, and they suit the role perfectly. That's another great answer. You are giving several reasons why you want to be a scrub nurse, and those reasons are focused on your strengths. Next question. How would you handle a conflict in the operating room? Tip number 1. Now, conflict has the potential to affect the level of care given to patients. Therefore, you must never allow it to affect your work. In your answer, say that patient safety is your number 1 priority and that you would focus at all times on your duties. Once the procedure is complete, you can calmly discuss the conflict maturely and professionally to find a resolution. So here is another brilliant example answer. How would you handle a conflict in the operating room? Here we go. In the operating room, patient safety is always my top priority. If a conflict arises, I focus immediately on the task or issue that needs to be addressed, not the tone or delivery of someone's feedback or request. I understand that stress levels can be high and communication may come across as abrupt, but I never take it personally. Instead, I prioritize responding quickly and professionally to ensure the patient's well-being. Once the procedure is complete and the environment is calmer, I believe it's important to address any conflict or concerns privately and constructively. This approach ensures that I remain composed, protect the integrity of the surgical team, and uphold the highest standards of care for the patient. So that's a mature answer that will help you get the job offer for the scrub nurse position you are applying for. Next question, what is your biggest weakness? Be very careful how you answer this question. Do not respond by saying that you don't have any weaknesses or that your weakness is that you are a perfectionist. This question is assessing self-awareness and your desire for self-improvement. Now, good weaknesses for a scrub nurse interview include finding it difficult to say no, which means you sometimes overcommit, and also not being able to delegate effectively. So here is an example answer to help you. What is your biggest weakness? One area I've been working to improve is delegating tasks. As a scrub nurse, I take pride in maintaining control and ensuring everything runs smoothly in the theatre. However, I've learned that trying to manage everything myself can sometimes lead to unnecessary pressure. I've been actively developing my delegation skills by trusting colleagues with certain responsibilities while I focus on critical tasks. This has helped to bring me closer to the healthcare team and support staff, improve collaboration, and enhance the quality of care delivered for patients. So that, in my opinion, is a good weakness for a scrub nurse interview. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click that link right now in the top right hand corner of the video. Head straight through to my website, passmyinterview.com, and you can instantly download my brilliant scrub nurse interview success pack. You will get the scrub nurse interview score sheet that tells you how you will be assessed at your scrub nurse interview. You get 21 brilliant answers to scrub nurse interview questions, including the answers I've given you in this presentation. You will get an additional 15 answers to scrub nurse behavioral interview questions and the top 20 smart questions you can ask at the end of your scrub nurse interview. I recommend you choose 3 questions from the 20 to ask at the end of your interview. To get all of this right now, click that link. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give the video a like. I really do appreciate your support. I wish you all the best for passing your scrub nurse interview. Have a wonderful day.